What's up? It's your Emo, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing something that you probably wouldn't expect me to do. I'm surprised that I'm doing it. However, I have an interview tomorrow for a job at a bank and I really want to get it. And I feel like pink hair maybe is not the best way to present myself in an interview. So what I'm going to do today is I have got the Eero in dark brown, and I'm just going to put it over top of this pink. First, I'm going to wash my hair in Dander shampoo and just kind of empty my follicles of grease, of any oils, and also just maybe get a little more of this out, just to make room for the brown to take and dry, and then put it on. So that's the plan. I have 2 of these just in case one's not enough. We'll see. But I think it'll go over this pretty well. Usually they say if you're going to go dark, you want to put it over more of a red toned to make it like warm and not so like empty, as opposed to like putting just a brown straight over blonde. So this might actually work out. Worst case scenario, I figure it might be like maybe a pink red tint, which would probably not be a big deal. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hair, dry it, and get my gloves on and get started with this. Okay, my hair is washed, and I think I'm gonna probably need more than 1 container of these. These are just the 4-ounce bottles, so anyway, this is 1 full tube. I will say this seems like not as thick as Eero usually is. Also, yes, I know my hair looks weird. I blow dried everything to the front to kind of lay it back as I go. You know, I'm not looking forward to this. I have not had brown hair in a long time. I would rather be pretty much any color than brown. Anyway, let's get this over with. I'm already bummed out about this. Anyway, I'm gonna let this sit for probably like an hour. I want to make sure it really gets soaked in and covers the pink as well as possible. And yeah, I will be back after I have rinsed. Okay, checking in from the bathroom, but not what I hoped for. It did like definitely mute the pink tones, but we're still pretty red. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head to Sally's near me that has another tube of the dark brown. I'm going to have to go to a farther one than my usual one because the one closer to me is sold out thanks to me. So yeah, I'm going to go pick that up, and then I'm going to mix in some black just to darken it up and pray I get something more brown. Wish me luck. I did get more Eero dark brown, and as I said, I'm going to mix in some black with it, and I already had some black on hand. I decided to go with the Lunar Tides Eclipse Black. So yeah, I will show me mixing that up just so you can see kind of the portions and stuff, since I'm not like measuring it out. So in case anyone did want to replicate this, however this ends up coming out, you can see for yourself.
Someone save me from all I've done. Please don't blame me for all my past. 'Cause everything we can see is just a job, nothing more. Everything we're calling truth suddenly will kill ourselves. Can't find the spinning deep inside of me. Wasting time, but it's fun. But even laugh can make me feel. Can't find the spinning deep inside of me. Wasting time, but it's fun. But even laugh can make me feel. We're the same, selling lies for ourselves. Killing in the name of the damn love. 'Cause everything we can see is just a job, nothing more. Everything we're calling truth suddenly will kill ourselves. Can't find the spinning deep inside of me. Wasting time, but it's fine. Not even life.
All right, once again, gonna let it sit. I'll see you in a bit. I might have gone a wee bit overboard with the black. It is just dark. I mean, granted, I wanted it to be dark, but this is just, honestly, just a smidge darker than I wanted. I do think after a wash or two, it'll be more of a brown. Hopefully, you can see by like where it stained my scalp here that it's kind of blue or purple based. The black must have been. There's a little bit over here that you can kind of see red poking through. I don't think it's that big of a deal. I'm going to leave it alone with this. I am going to shower in the morning and wash it, and hopefully it's not quite as stark dark. And yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.